Today we're going to get acquainted with one of the most amazing Iranian instruments, the tar, an instrument with 4 strings and a delicate, soulful sound whose roots go back centuries in Iranian music. This instrument belongs to the family of tanbur and tar, and it has always held a special place in traditional and mystical Iranian music. The tar is an instrument of silence and introspection. Its sound is calm, gentle, and full of emotion, to the extent that many people call it the instrument of the heart. The parts of the tar are as follows: the bowl, the soundboard, the bridge, the tailpiece, the frets, the neck, the headstock, and the tuning pegs. Now here is the amazing sound of this instrument.